Versatile Infotainment provides thousands of informative videos of our viewers. If you want more informative videos, please like and subscribe our channel. So let's go our topic.
Being attractive these days involves more than just winning the DNA lottery and getting a good stylist. The world's sexiest ladies have dominated news feeds and social media. They can start or stop trends. These women are as smart as they are seductive, and with millions of fans watching everything they do, their careers are constantly extending into new areas. Let's dive into the 10 sexiest ladies in the world right now without further ado. Number 10 is Charlize Theron. Age is no barrier to beauty, as 46-year-old Charlize Theron demonstrates. She is one of the highest-paid actresses in the world, the winner of numerous honors, including an Academy Award and a Golden Globe, and she is also breathtakingly beautiful. Although her breakthrough part was in the horror film The Devil's Advocate, her performance in Monster earned her the coveted Best Actress Award. For more than 20 years, Theron has graced our screens, and we hope she never stops.
Number 9 is Emily Ratajkowski. There is only one Emily Ratajkowski, yet you still struggle with how to say it correctly. Though only Robin Thicke is to blame for the criticism, the stunning woman who turned blurred lines into a cultural sensation has grown stronger and stronger and stronger in Hollywood. Additionally, she isn't just content to steam up your Instagram account. The London-born model is also vying for leading roles in films like Gone Girl and We Are Your Friends, where she can be seen acting in all of her gorgeous Technicolor glory. Number 8 is Beyoncé. No hottest woman list would be complete without Beyoncé, since she is unquestionably the queen bee, and everyone knows it. The fact that she hardly rarely appears in the press and still manages to sell her CDs like hotcakes proves that her star has no bounds. She is the female performer with the most Grammy wins ever, with an astonishing 28 victories. Her achievements extend beyond her musical career, as she is also the wife of Jay-Z. Have you heard of him? New, and mother of 3 children. Unquestionably, one of the most beautiful women of all time. She is the GOAT. Number 7 is Gigi Hadid. It appears that good things do indeed come in pairs. In addition to being one of the sexiest women in the world, Gigi Hadid has managed her career better than Lewis Hamilton in the Monaco Grand Prix. She went from being a Real Housewives afterthought to the Princess Regent of supermodels. In 2014, a Desigual exhibition served as the catalyst. From there, the Los Angeles native picked up jobs with Karine Roitfeld, Chanel, Versus, and Vogue. Many issues, paving the route to the top with a string of front covers and catwalk finales. Gigi is certain to remain on the list of sexiest women for many years to come, especially when you take into account the model's essential famous baby daddy. In this case, Zayn Malik. Number 6 is Bella Hadid. Bella is delighted to play the black sheep in a series of the sexiest topless pictures, risky ensembles, and a barely. Their Victoria's Secret appearance while the elder Hadid opts for the all-American girl. Next, door look. Additionally, science supports this choice. Bella is the most beautiful woman alive, according to a renowned cosmetic surgeon, since she possesses the most symmetrical face in the entire world. We were all left wondering whether songs on her ex-boyfriend The Weeknd's most recent album were about her, which helped Bella's star climb even further. The fact that the lucky guy has dated Selena Gomez, who is also on this list, is the reason we aren't giving up on our rap career just yet. Number 5 is Scarlett Johansson. Scar Jo, a real-life superhero, just made her debut as the Black Widow. She is outspoken about her support for numerous organizations that work to end poverty and advance cancer research. She is the 9th highest grossing celebrity of all time thanks to her films, which have brought in nearly $14.03 billion globally. We understand that if Scarlett Johansson is involved, we will attend. We were all in sorrow over her recent wedding to comedian Colin Jost, as if we had any hope. The fact that one of the wealthiest women is also one of the sexiest is evidence that the cosmos does indeed favor some people over others. Number 4 is Kate Upton. Kate Upton is a supermodel, and her 4 Sports Illustrated swimsuit covers have definitely glorified her curves and bodacity. She has also adorned the covers of Italian, American, and British Vogue, as well as Vanity Fair's 100th anniversary issue. In essence, she is a global phenomenon, and it is easy to understand why. Upton is a true supermodel, which is why she consistently earns a spot on the list of sexiest women. Number 3 is Adriana Lima. Victoria's worst. Kept secret has to be Adriana Lima. The Brazilian demigod made what could be one of the tackiest runway shows on Earth. A must. See cultural phenomenon, leading a pantheon of beautiful women to follow suit. The 40-year-old is also a mother of 2, while still achieving the title of Victoria's Secret's most valuable model in 2017. Probably why she keeps going back. Number 2 is Selena Gomez. She debuted as a cherubic-faced Disney star, before swiftly surpassing the star power that even Disney enjoys, which is a lot. With a staggering 270 million followers, Gomez has risen to the 7th most followed person on Instagram, surpassing even Kim K. She is a businesswoman with her new cosmetics line, Rare Cosmetics, as well as a singer and actress, which is a fitting description of Selena, who undoubtedly ranks among the sexiest and most successful ladies of all time. Number 1 is Rihanna. The Queen of Beijing pop and itgaf Instagram comments has produced 8 albums in roughly as many years, 8 singles that reached number 1 on the Billboard Hot 100, and over 141 other music accolades. She didn't stop there though. Her numerous businesses, including Fenty Beauty, Fenty Skin, and Savage x Fendi, her Fire Lingerie line, account for the majority of her $1.07 billion net worth. Rihanna continues to be one of the hottest women in the business. Well, in all of business. So you can't blame people for dancing or for adoring her to the point of obsession.